Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna make an in-depth analysis on gold, a multi-time frame analysis. We are gonna see which are the trading possibilities related with gold and the current conditions. As a beginning, we are going to look at the weekly time frame. As you can see on this chart, the price is developing this type of big pattern and it keeps creating this weekly bigger picture. On this chart, it is likely that close to the upper support the sellers can begin selling in this area in order to create the big bearish move, and it can take a lot of time to move down, so it can take up to 6 months in order to create the bigger move down. However, this is for the long-term position traders. On the other hand, if we are going to take also in account the current market conditions, previously we had the war between Israel and Hamas. The war conflict pushed the price higher because this is all related with the fear and the panic in the market. All the traders and the big funds wants to protect their accounts and to hedge about those big problems. On the other hand, if we are going to look at on a lower time frame, and at this moment we are going to look at on a daily picture, this is the daily picture that we have here. It corresponds to this part of the chart on the weekly. We may see that after the price broke out from 2009, the buyer's interest increased a lot and it is pushing the price up to the top of the structure. So for the moment, I draw these lines. It means that the price can continue in this area for a long period of time. Once the price will continue to move down and to retest 2009, we may see the buyers to increase the volume again, and they can push the price higher, so the price can come and it can increase again up to the top. And on the other hand, we have the sellers interest that is increased close to the top. However, this is only for the daily chart, for this part here. Once the price will manage to break down through 2009, we have to be careful, because after that the price can take different shapes here. If we are going to look at this part on a weekly chart, this is what can happen. So also after the breakdown from 2009, we may see the price to break down. It can continue moving lower, and the first and the strongest support area will be found close to 1940 approximately, which corresponds to this area that we are looking at. So this is what may happen if the price is going to break through 2009. After that, we may see another increase again. It can come close to the top, but it can also stop before it moves high, it moves down more. Probably on a weekly picture it may create a type of head and shoulder pattern, and later we may see the price taking shape and it can continue with a bearish wave at this point. On the other hand, on the daily chart, our focus so far is only on these 2 points, so the price can test 2009 and it may increase. Here we have the bulls that will push the price up, and close to the top we have the bears and also the taking profit moments that will push the price down again. On a lower time frame that we are going to look at, so this corresponds to a 4-hour time frame so far, the price is moving in a narrow zone between 2033, this is in this area here what we are looking at, and 2050. At this point we have the aggressive traders. The traders that are more aggressive are looking at for buy opportunities close to 2033, 2035, and we have also aggressive sellers but also profit taking moment, and short-term traders that are selling at this point and the profit taking as well, and this is pushing the price down again. That is why we can see these moves up and downs here, because here we have the short-term traders that are well positioned. It will be difficult for this moment to anticipate the next move, but once the price will break the top that we have for this small pattern, the price should continue to increase, and probably we may face the sell close to the top. However, one step at a time, considering that the price can take different directions. So far, all the focus is in this area here for the buyers and the sellers, and once the support area will be invalidated or the resistance zone, probably we will see the next price direction. So far, this is what the price is already doing. So we are moving within a very narrow trading range. It will be very interesting how the price will develop, considering that the war is not escalating further. On the other hand, we have also the US and the economic calendar, where the market is focused. We have FOMC that is going to impact also the market. This time the GDP data came out better than expected for the US. However, I'm not surprised related with this topic, because the US economy is doing very well. On the other hand, we can see that the inflation is slowing down, as the Fed is already expecting and is working related with the topic, so everything looks fine. The only problem will be related with the FOMC during this moment. So let's see what FOMC will bring for us this time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this multi-time frame analysis on gold. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Thank you. Bye bye.